Happy birthday to you.
Oh, blow, blow, blow. Oh.
Hi Anelle, how are you? It's me, Miss Martinez. Just making you this video because I know it's someone's birthday tomorrow and I believe it's yours. So on behalf of me and Super Tots and all the family, happy birthday.
Hi Anelle, it's Miss Susie. I'm wishing you happy birthday and I'm sending you lots of love and lots of hugs. You are so beautiful. I miss you so much. You were one of my best students, very sweet and very kind. May God bless you and lots of wish.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hi Anelle, happy birthday. Hi Anelle, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Anelle.